So here we are at the end of the day, and our driveway project's finished. Had kind of a rough start. We couldn't find the culvert, the damaged culvert. When we did, it was broke farther under the road than we thought. But we were able to get things dug out, get the damaged pipe cut out. Got a new 24-inch corrugated polyethylene pipe. It won't rust. We laid down a bed of crush and run gravel, 2 loads. As a base, then put our riprap rock over it. Dug a little retaining pond. Diverted the other small creek. Got this creek going correctly. And this should be the end of the driveway problems. Got a curb put here. Just did a field mix on that. It'll pull in moisture from the ground, firm up nicely, cleaner than mixing up wet concrete. Got all the cracks filled in. And this project is a wrap. Thank you for watching. And please call us if you've got any driveway problems, erosion problems, grading problems. We've got the equipment and crew to make it easy for you.